31. Which of the following statements about enzymes is true? Answer. C. Enzymes speed up chemical reactions by lowering the activation energy. Explanation. Enzymes act as catalysts in biochemical reactions by lowering the activation energy, allowing reactions to proceed more quickly without being consumed in the process. 32. What is the role of the circulatory system in the human body? Answer. C. To transport oxygen, nutrients and hormones to cells. Explanation. The circulatory system, heart, blood, and blood vessels, is responsible for transporting oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body. It plays a critical role in maintaining homeostasis. 33. What type of bond holds the two strands of a DNA molecule together? Answer. C. Hydrogen bonds. Explanation. The two strands of DNA are held together by hydrogen bonds between complementary nitrogenous bases, adenine pairs with thymine, and guanine pairs with cytosine. 34. Which of the following structures is involved in the transport of proteins within the cell? Answer. B. Endoplasmic reticulum. Explanation. The endoplasmic reticulum, ER, is involved in the synthesis and transport of proteins. The rough ER, which has ribosomes attached to it, is primarily responsible for protein production and transport. 35. What is the function of the large central vacuole in plant cells? Answer. B. To store nutrients and water. Explanation. The large central vacuole in plant cells stores water, nutrients, and waste products. It also helps maintain turgor pressure, which provides structural support to the plant. 36. Which of the following is a characteristic of all living organisms? Answer. B. They all contain DNA or RNA as their genetic material. Explanation. All living organisms, whether unicellular or multicellular, contain DNA or RNA as their genetic material, which carries the information necessary for growth, reproduction, and functioning. 37. Which of the following best describes the function of the Golgi apparatus? Answer. C. To modify, sort, and package proteins and lipids. Explanation. The Golgi apparatus is responsible for modifying proteins and lipids that have been synthesized in the rough endoplasmic reticulum, sorting them and packaging them into vesicles for transport to their destination. 38. What is the primary function of lipids in biological systems? Answer. C. Contributing to the structure of cell membranes. Explanation. Lipids, particularly phospholipids, are crucial components of cell membranes, helping maintain structural integrity and enabling various membrane functions. They also contribute to energy storage and insulation. 39. Which of the following is not a function of carbohydrates? Answer. C. Acting as catalysts for metabolic reactions. Explanation. Enzymes, proteins, are responsible for catalyzing reactions, not carbohydrates. Carbohydrates mainly serve as energy sources and structural components. 40. Which of the following is not a monomer of a polymer? Answer. D. Lipid. Explanation. Lipids are not polymers and do not consist of repeating monomers. While proteins, nucleic acids, and carbohydrates are polymers made up of monomers, amino acids, nucleotides, and monosaccharides respectively, lipids are typically formed from fatty acids and glycerol. 41. Which of the following describes a key characteristic of steroids? Correct answer. C. They function as hormones and structural materials in cells. Explanation. Steroids, such as cholesterol and sex hormones, example, estrogen and testosterone, play roles as hormones and are part of the structural components of cell membranes. 42. What is the major function of proteins in cells? Answer. B. Catalyzing chemical reactions. Explanation. Proteins, especially enzymes, act as catalysts in a wide variety of biochemical reactions. They also play other roles, including structural support, signaling, and transport. 43. Which of the following is not a type of RNA? Answer. D. dRNA. Explanation. The three main types of RNA are transfer RNA, tRNA, ribosomal RNA, rRNA, and messenger RNA, mRNA. dRNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, does not exist as a type of RNA. DNA is a distinct molecule. 44. What is the role of enzymes in metabolic reactions? Answer: C. They act as catalysts, speeding up the rate of reactions. Explanation: enzymes are biological catalysts that accelerate the rate of biochemical reactions without being consumed in the process. 45. Which of the following statements about DNA is correct? Answer: B. DNA is the main genetic material in most organisms. Explanation: DNA carries genetic information in cells and serves as the template for RNA synthesis and protein production. It exists in various forms, example A type, B type, but all are functional. 46. Which of the following factors affects the rate of enzyme activity? Answer: D. All of the above. Explanation: temperature, pH, and enzyme concentration all affect enzyme activity. Enzymes have optimal conditions, temperature and pH, and increasing enzyme concentration generally increases reaction rates until a saturation point is reached. 47. What is the main objective of the Human Genome Project Right? Answer: B. To synthesize the human genome. Explanation: the Human Genome Project Right aims to synthesize large portions of the human genome, advancing understanding and potentially leading to medical and scientific breakthroughs. 48. Which of the following is a polymer made up of nucleotides? Answer: C. Nucleic acid, DNA, RNA. Explanation: nucleic acids like DNA and RNA are polymers made up of nucleotides. Each nucleotide consists of a sugar, phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. 49. Which of the following best describes the structure of lipids? Answer: B. Hydrophobic molecules with a common structure of fatty acids and glycerol. Explanation: lipids are hydrophobic molecules, and many are formed by the combination of fatty acids and glycerol. While some lipids, like steroids, do not form polymers, they share this characteristic structure. 50. Which of the following is a type of protein that catalyzes biochemical reactions? Answer: C. Enzyme. Explanation: enzymes are proteins that act as catalysts, speeding up biochemical reactions without being consumed in the process. Collagen, actin, and hemoglobin are structural or functional proteins but do not act as catalysts. 51. Which of the following functions is not typically associated with lipids? Answer: C. Catalyzing chemical reactions. Explanation: lipids serve in energy storage, insulation, and membrane structure, but do not function as catalysts. Catalysis is the role of proteins, enzymes. 52. Which of the following is a correct description of the function of carbohydrates in cells? Answer: C. Provide short-term energy and serve as building materials. Explanation: carbohydrates are primarily involved in providing short-term energy, example, glucose, and also serve as building blocks for larger polymers. Example, cellulose, starch. 53. Which of the following is a function of the protein hemoglobin? Answer: B. Carry oxygen in the blood. Explanation: hemoglobin is a protein found in red blood cells that binds to oxygen and carries it through the bloodstream. It is not involved in catalysis or transport across membranes. 54. Which of the following biomolecules is involved in gene expression? Answer: D. Nucleic acids. Explanation: nucleic acids, DNA and RNA, play a crucial role in gene expression. DNA stores genetic information, while RNA is involved in translating that information into proteins. 55. Which of the following is not a property of enzymes? Answer: C. They increase the activation energy of a reaction. Explanation: enzymes decrease the activation energy of a reaction, speeding it up. They do not increase the activation energy. They also work best within a specific temperature and pH range. 56. Which of the following types of RNA carries genetic information from DNA to ribosomes for protein synthesis? Answer: C. mRNA. Explanation: messenger RNA, mRNA, carries genetic information from the DNA in the nucleus to ribosomes, where it is used to synthesize proteins. 57. Which of the following is a characteristic of unsaturated fats? Answer: D. They are liquid at room temperature and considered healthier than saturated fats. Explanation: unsaturated fats are typically liquid at room temperature. Example: olive oil. They have one or more double bonds in their fatty acid chains and are considered healthier than saturated fats, which are solid at room temperature. 58. What is the role of tRNA in protein synthesis? Answer: A. It carries amino acids to the ribosome. Explanation: transfer RNA, tRNA, carries specific amino acids to the ribosome where they are added to the growing protein chain during translation. 59. What is a key feature of enzyme's active site? Answer: B. It is the part of the enzyme where the substrate binds and a reaction occurs. Explanation: the active site is the region of an enzyme where the substrate binds and the chemical reaction occurs. It is crucial to enzyme function. 60. Which of the following describes the relationship between DNA and RNA? Answer: A. RNA is synthesized from DNA and helps in protein synthesis. Explanation: RNA is transcribed from DNA in a process called transcription. The RNA then assists in protein synthesis by carrying genetic information from the DNA to the ribosomes. 61. Which of the following is an example of a polysaccharide? Answer: C. Starch. Explanation: starch is a polysaccharide, which is a complex carbohydrate made up of many glucose molecules linked together. Glucose and fructose are monosaccharides, while sucrose is a disaccharide. Thank you. Thank you for taking the time to join us and celebrate these incredible accomplishments. Your support and engagement mean so much to us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on future content. See you next time.